friends. Welcome to Learn with Karthik. In this video you are going to know 7 interesting facts of elephants. Older elephant instinctively direct themselves when they reach a certain age they would either alone, far from group. And elephants spend between 12 to 15 hours eating grass, plants and fruit every single day. They use their long trunks to smell their food and lift it up into their mouth. An adult needs to eat up to 150 kilograms of food a day, that's 50 tons a year. Elephants never forgot anything because they have encephalization quotient of about 1.88. Moreover, an incident proved this fact. 2 elephants, Jenny and Shirley, spent some months together in a circus. When they reunited after 23 years, they became excited and started bellowing, indicating that they remembered each other. Elephants can even get sunburned, so these days bathe in mud to help protect their skin from the sun. Elephants communicate in a variety of ways, including sounds like trumpet calls, body language, touch and scent. They can also communicate through seismic signal sounds that create vibrations in the ground which they may detect through their bones. Elephants have around 150,000 muscle units in their trunk. Amazingly, elephant calves are able to stand within 20 minutes of being born and can walk within 1 hour. After 2 days, they can keep up with the herd. Okay friends, these are the interesting facts of elephants. If you enjoyed and learned something new from this video, then please give like and comment your favorite fact and share this video to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And make sure to click the bell icon to get my new video notifications immediately.